Class 4, gorgeous restoration made simple. So how do we get that easily? Let me walk you through step by step. 1. Make a silicone template. Place it only on the palatal side, making sure it fully covers the incisal edge. 2. Prep the tooth. Create a 30-degree bevel. This helps with a smooth shade transition, making the restoration almost invisible. 3. Work with your template. Apply adhesive and cure. Then apply a thin layer of composite, place it into the defect, press it against the tooth, adapt it carefully, and cure again. The palatal wall is done. 4. Build the proximal wall, use a wedge, matrix, and stabilize it properly. 5. Fill the cavity layer by layer. Gradually switch from dentin shades to enamel shades for natural depth. 6. Finishing and anatomy. 2 rules here. Always polish from the filling toward the tooth. Use rubber polishers to shape the microanatomy. Use the adjacent tooth as your guide, and done. If this was helpful, leave a comment and share it with your dental friend who needs to see it.